I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I'm here back after 7 weeks of a hiatus. Today, we're talking about our Friday team tip. The one thing that we need to remember is that teams need to reset and get fresh energy after a major interruption or disruption of the operation of the team. We don't think of teams needing reset, but just like content creators, they do. Whether it's after a busy season, whether it's after a hiatus, whether it's leadership changes or any other kind of interruption or disruption, or even just time out, it's important that team leaders move ahead, that team leaders moved ahead with their teams. One of the ways to do that when you come back is to celebrate. Celebrate the fact that you're back together. Celebrate the fact that you're going to be able to do some new kinds of things. And then begin to reflect. Reflect with every member of the team what went well, what went poorly, what they'd like to see change, what they'd like to see more of. That will help create that fresh start energy that we're talking about. Also, begin to look at things that you might need to do to reestablish a new culture, a new rhythm in your team. That's very important. And as you start those new rhythms, make sure that they're outlined, that everybody understands what's going on. You'll be able to continue without an issue. It'll be rough making the changes, but you'll be able to do it. Finally, as we're getting ready to step into 2026, I cannot believe that we're almost at the fourth quarter, and we're going to be doing our fourth quarter challenge. We've done one now for 4 years in a row. This will be our fifth year, and I'd love for you to join us starting on Monday, October the 6th. And if you're a female leader who is in transition with her career, who is maybe been downsized from a position and you're looking for a new job, or maybe you're just tired and you want to do something new, whether you're younger or older, join our R4 Women's Collective. We'll be having a 90-day mastermind that's starting on Saturday, October 11th. We're going to brainstorm together about your value, about things that you need to consider as you move ahead and get ready to step into 2026, whether it's a new role within your existing company, a new position, whether you're starting a business. We're going to talk about all of the personal issues that we as women face. Thank you so much for listening. The links are in the description. Watch for announcements for the preliminary R4 meeting. Take care, be well, and have a great weekend. It's wonderful to be back.